Hello everyone. Today we will boost our legal knowledge by studying a very important case in history of India. The case to be discussed today is Golaknath versus State of Punjab 1967. Being one of the most important landmark judgments, this case puts forth certain issues relating to the parliamentary powers to amend the Constitution of India and that whether the fundamental rights can be amended or not. An important thing to remember is that the Supreme Court in this case in 1967 had the largest constitutional bench ever. Here are the relevant facts of the case. The petitioners possessed over 500 acres of land in Punjab when the Punjab Security and Land Tenures Act of 1953 held that people could keep only the aforementioned land and the rest of their holdings would go to the surplus. The petitioners challenged this act under writ petition under Article 32, stating that it was violative of their fundamental rights to acquire and hold property guaranteed under Article 19F and 19G of the Constitution of India. The petitioners also demanded that the act was to be declared unconstitutional. It was after this case that the court developed the jurisprudence around the doctrine of basic structure. The issues raised in this case were that whether the parliament has absolute power and the power to amend the Part 3 of the Constitution, which has the fundamental rights. Since we already know the side of the petitioner's counsel, it is important to understand the contention of the respondent's counsel too. They argued that the object of amendment is to let the parliament amend the constitution as per the needs of the society, and hence the parliament has every power to amend every part of the constitution, including Part 3. The court in the following case observed that such casual amendments to the challenged part, that is Part 3 of the constitution, may result in totalitarianism, thereby forcing the democratic nature of the country to sink. Based upon the essence of this observation, the Honorable Court decided that the Parliament had no power to amend the fundamental rights enshrined under Part 3 of the Constitution of India. The Honorable Supreme Court also overruled the earlier judgment in Sajjan Singh's case, which was on contrary to this. This case has earned importance as it threw light on the importance in preserving the significance of the fundamental rights safeguarded by the Constitution of India. However, this judgment was later overruled in the case of Keshav Nanda Bharti versus Union of India in 1973, where the court said that everything but the basic structure of the Constitution of India can be amended. Guys, hope you all must have understood this case. Happy reading. Thank you.